Hey, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about dark green kitchens. Now, we're doing something different. All of you that have been subscribers for a long time of mine, you remember when I used to do the short videos. So this is what this is going to be, and I think I may be bringing it back. We're going to bring back some videos under 5 minutes. So, like I said, today's video, we're going to talk about dark green kitchens. Look at the beauty of them. It's something I don't see near enough. I see a lot of course, white and beige. I see some navy blue. I even see a lot of black, but I just don't see a lot of dark green kitchens. But this video is an appreciation for them. Now, dark green kitchens are so versatile. If you have a lot of light in your kitchen, even some like skylights, it can still be light and airy and just use that as the depth of it. However, if you are in the market for something darker, you can pair it with, if you have your dark green cabinets, you can use black or stainless steel appliances and have maybe black shelving and just create a really dark and moody vibe in your kitchen. So if you are going with a dark green set of cabinets, which I think just absolutely gorgeous, you can pair it with metallic accents like brass, rose gold, copper, or silver, and it will absolutely pop against the green and just really bring a lot of shine and bling and light to that dark space. It also pairs up so great against that dark green. It just really creates a lot of contrast. So if you're going to be choosing a dark green paint color for your kitchen, a lot of popular shades according to the spruce are forest green, bold emerald, dark sage, and deep olive. It gives your kitchen a really dramatic and earthy feel. Let me know down below in the comment section, is having a dark green kitchen something that is on your bucket list? I know a lot of times we see design styles and we say, oh, that is absolutely breathtaking, jaw-dropping, that is awesome. But we never really take the leap to do it because it's a little too far outside of our comfort zone. So how is having a dark green kitchen? How does it register for you? Would you do maybe the cabinets dark green or maybe a dark green tile? Tell me all about it in the comment section. Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.